Hi guys, welcome to the RagSys Info.
Creative YouTube video ideas to try with free channel ideas list. YouTube has over 1 billion users worldwide. So it's essential to make a YouTube channel if you want to build a following. But with so many video formats out there, it can be a struggle to know which YouTube video idea is best for your brand. Well, struggle no more. We've assembled a list of the 165 most creative YouTube video ideas we could find from channel collaborations to gaming videos. So get ready to tour through ideas that will reinvigorate your brand and leave your viewers wanting more. And make sure to capture the good YouTube ideas with our free mood board template as you go. Let's dive in. Getting to know you ideas. Technology video ideas. Gaming video ideas. Educational video ideas. Fashion and beauty video ideas. Music-related video ideas. Health and lifestyle video ideas. Food video ideas. Best of video ideas. Branded content video ideas. And there is not showing your favorite ideas? Okay, cool guys. I will show extra more ideas in the video end. Now guys, idea number 1. Getting to know you YouTube video ideas. Introduction ideas. First, YouTube video ideas. Make a YouTube channel intro. A good channel intro can make a YouTube channel very welcoming. Show the world who you are and what your channel is all about. Since first impressions are everything, this ranks among the best first YouTube video ideas. What a YouTuber's first video could look like. Introduce yourself. If finding good first YouTube video ideas has you stumped, just intro yourself. People like putting faces to names. So take some time to reveal the guy or gal behind the curtain, even if it's just for one video. Self-introductions are among the most popular videos for beginners. Share your first vlog. Vlogs are among the most popular YouTube video ideas for beginners. It's a great way to introduce your personality and worldview. This is a great starting point, but consider diversifying your content as you go. But don't brainstorm your first video too much, just be yourself. Draw my life. These videos are typically fast-paced and showcase a key moment in the creator's life. It also usually contains a voiceover and accompanied with illustrations that are drawn on a whiteboard, sometimes by the narrator. Michelle Phan's Draw My Life video. Whether it's an introduction or a Draw My Life video, you first need to create a storyboard to plan out the shots that you need, to avoid potential reshoots. Storyboards help you map out the exact sequence of shots needed in your final video. To create your first storyboard, use Studio Binder Storyboard Creator. On the shot list page, swap the layout to storyboard view. Then click New Shot to start adding your shot specs. After you add your shots and the camera specifics, your final storyboard will look something like this, which you can easily share. Free storyboard software, free storyboard template, Studio Binder. Click to view the storyboard in Studio Binder. Day in the life. Make a video to show a day in the life of you. Plan activities with a few friends. The louder the personalities, the better, and film all the good moments. Day in the life video. Talk about your job. What do you do for a living? Tell the audience why you chose that field and what your day-to-day is like. Or even talk about why you left a job. Talk about your job. Tour your space. Show off your house, or room, to make yourself more familiar with your audience. This will build a stronger connection with viewers and keep you on the top of their minds. Give a hometown tour. Whether you're from Nome, Alaska, or the Bronx, your hometown is a part of you. Show your viewers this all-important side of you. But don't forget your parka if you're in Alaska. Idea number 2. Technology. YouTube video ideas. Tech news, reviews, and so much more. Number 2.1. Idea topic is gadget videos. Declare love for a favorite gadget. Are you into tech gadgets? Did you buy that new iPhone? Maybe some new earbuds? Bust out those cool AirPods and talk about why you love them so much, just like Mark does. Mark Brownlee breaks down the AirPods. Number 2.2 idea topic is new OS. Tour beta releases for operating systems. Big tech companies usually have beta programs you can join to preview new operating systems. If you're the first one that has access, you can show off the newest OS to keep viewers in the know. Number 2.3 idea topic is processor releases. Dish on new processor releases. Processors are always getting faster and faster. Talk about the best ones, how they're used, and how they're changing the face of tech. Number 2.4 YouTube Tech Video Ideas Tech Topics. Deep dive on tech topics. Hot button tech issues like net neutrality, cybersecurity, and Bitcoin are very complex. Break down their core concepts in depth and your viewers will tune in for updates regularly. Number 2.5 YouTube Tech Video Ideas Tech Gossip. Join in on the tech gossip. There's a lot of speculation out there in the tech world, about new products and features. Join in the conversation. Number 2.6 Ideas YouTube Gear. Show off your YouTuber tech. Show off the tools of your vlogging trade, including which microphones and cameras you use. Sean Cannell shares the best camera for YouTube. Number 2.7 Ideas Computer Tests. Put your computer to the test. Is your computer super fast? Or maybe it's been bogged down by updates. Go into detail to help your viewers assess their own machines. Use a particularly demanding software to put it to the test. Number 2.8 Ideas Technology Timelines. Explore technology timelines. Any piece of technology has its history. Odds are it's much richer than you even knew. If there's a Wikipedia page on it, then you can probably make a YouTube video on it, and have a head start on research. Number 2.9 Ideas Specs. Show off your device specs. Got a cool device? Show off the features that make it special. Chances are that your viewers are looking for the same thing. Number 2.10 Ideas Graphics Card Releases. Dish on new graphics releases. Better graphics cards mean better gameplay. Talk about the latest and greatest. Remember, the gaming community is tight-knit, so they're always looking for the best video cards to improve their gameplay. Number 2.11 Ideas Beta Software. Tour a new software beta. If you're a power user of a particular app or website, show off its beta features before the public release. One way to find some rising applications is browsing Product Hunt. Idea number 3. Gaming. All things gaming related. Number 3.1 Ideas Collabs. Play games with other channels. Video games make good YouTube challenges with friends. They also make a YouTube channel a lot more collaborative. Film yourself playing your favorite game with friends or other channels and highlight your best moments. Of all the good YouTube video ideas, you might have the most fun with this one. What's more fun than playing games with friends? Number 3.2 Ideas Spotlight. Do an indie games spotlight. There are hundreds of games produced independently each year. Find a good one that lacks the attention it deserves. Number 3.3 Ideas in-game footage. Share in-game footage. Gaming is huge on YouTube. If you think that no one wants to see you playing your favorite game, think again. Remember, there's a ton of directions you can take your gaming YouTube ideas. What's more fun than playing games with friends? Number 3.4 Ideas. Clipnote any video game. Show off everything your viewer needs to know about a game in a bite-sized video. There are games coming out on a daily basis, so why not create a short video talking about it? Break down any game in under 5 minutes. Number 3.5 Ideas. Reveal an Easter egg. Did you discover an unexpected secret in your favorite game? Share it with the YouTube sphere so others can discover it too. Number 3.6 Ideas Showcase mods. Show off a mod you made. Mods are modified game elements, usually levels, characters, and objects. Show off a cool one you made. Number 3.7 Ideas Mechanics Breakdown. Do a mechanics breakdown. Some games are designed with the more advanced player in mind. If this is you, school some N00BS with your skills. Number 3.8 Ideas Game Re-edits. Do a video game re-edit. This classic YouTube format re-edits in-game footage into a creative storyline. Red vs. Blue made an entire career out of this. What's more fun than playing games with friends? Number 3.9 YouTube Gaming Video Ideas Game Walkthrough. Tour through a game. Show off the world of your favorite game with yourself as the guide. Number 3.10 Ideas Deep Dives. Do a video game deep dive. There's plenty of game reviews out there. Go deeper with a video that dissects why the game's designer made the choices he or she did. Number 3.11 Ideas Cutscenes. Share a cutscene video. Some people are more into cutscenes than they are the games. Post some from your favorite game. Number 3.12 Ideas Older Games. Ponder a shelved game. Ever wondered what Star Fox 2 would have been like? It's always fun to entertain what could have been. Find an unreleased game and start speculating the potential. Ponder an old game. Number 3.13 Ideas Developer Deep Dive. Do a developer deep dive. Gaming buffs love talking about game developers. Pick one you admire and break down what makes them so great. Number 3.14 Ideas Comedy Skits. Edit an in-game skit. Take scenes from the game and turn them into comedy gold with your own voice track and funny snippets from the game. Far Cry sketch in-game. Number 3.15 Ideas Game MVPs. Discuss the game's MVPs. If you can't beat them, talk about them. Scroll through the leaderboards to find the best players and focus on their talents. Number 3.16 Ideas CPU Setup. Share your optimized gaming setup. Games can look different screen to screen. Show how you set yours up for maximum enjoyment. Number 3.17 Ideas Gaming Commentary. Do a gaming commentary. Sometimes it's fun just to hang out and watch someone else play a game. Recreate this experience for your viewers. Number 3.18 Ideas History of Games. Deep dive into the history of video games. Chart out all the innovations and discoveries in gaming, from Atari to Nintendo Switch. Number 3.19 YouTube Gaming Video Ideas Gameplay Highlights. Show your gameplay highlights. Cut together some of your best moments, including trophies, frag counts, or unlocked achievements. Number 3.20 Ideas Timed Run-Through. Do a timed run-through. This is when you run through a game as quickly as possible. Other gamers can learn from your moves, or suggest shortcuts. Super Mario Bros. Speedrun. Number 3.21 Ideas Gaming Opinions. Share your perspective of the game. Lend a fresh perspective to a new game by describing it as you play for the first time. Not only would it be entertaining, your viewers will appreciate the honest game review. Number 3.22 Ideas Gaming News. Dive into gaming news and events. Talk about what's up in the world of gaming, including new games, consoles and expansions. Don't forget about conventions. This would also be a good way to grab as many interviews and build a pipeline of videos. Number 3.23 Ideas Reaction Videos. Film yourself playing a game. This is a hugely successful format on YouTube. This is just you, playing a game for the world to see. If you can collaborate with another YouTuber on this, even better. Filming your playing a game is always fun. Number 3.24 Ideas Game Emus. Review a game emulator. Emulators let you play console games on a computer. Talk about the best games, ROMs in emulator speak, out there. To give you a head start, take a look at OpenEmu, which is one of the top multiple video game emulators available. Number 3.25 Ideas Side-by-Sides. Compare similar games. Take two similar games and talk about their similarities and differences. On top of that, you can even compare game sequels to the originals. Idea number 4. Educational. Know something? Teach something. Number 4.1 Creative YouTube Video Ideas Time-Lapse. Make a time-lapse video. Often, creative YouTube video ideas come from necessity. Use this format to relay a ton of information in a short amount of time. This is especially good for capturing end-to-end processes like drawing something. Time-lapse drawings are the best. Number 4.2 Ideas Recycling. Show creative ways of recycling. If you're into sustainability, you probably enjoy repurposing recycled items. So next time you turn a shoebox into a bird feeder, get it on camera. Number 4.3 Ideas PSA. Post a public service announcement. Tell people to prevent forest fires, wear helmets while biking, and the like. Or you can also parody the format by talking about something really minor or mundane. Number 4.4 Ideas Financial Advice. Offer financial planning tips. If stocks, bonds, and savings are your game, then help your fans amass some wealth. You can even target a subsection of people that might be looking for financial planning tips. Grant Cardone offers a financial plan for millennials. Number 4.5 Ideas Ads. Make an ad. YouTube's TrueView ads aren't too expensive. Make one for your channel or brand and show off what you do. Number 4.6 Ideas Job Interview. Offer job interview advice. Interviewing for a new position can be a nerve-wracking experience. Help your viewers prepare with some of the handy tips you've used. Number 4.7 Ideas Assembly. Make an assembly video. Whether it's Legos, model planes, or IKEA bed stands, Film yourself putting something together to help out a viewer doing the same. These types of YouTube video ideas are super useful. Walk viewers through something, step by step. Number 4.8 Ideas Easy Gifts. Show how to make easy gifts. It's difficult to be on a budget during the holidays. So show some off the thoughtful, but inexpensive, gift ideas you know. Number 4.9 Ideas Screen Sharing. Share your screen with viewers. Share your computer screen while doing something. It could be sketching something in Photoshop, editing a video, or playing Minecraft. Just find a good screencast app and share away. Number 4.10 Ideas How-Tos. Post a how it's made video. One way to find YouTube channel ideas is thinking about how to show what you do. Your fans already like what you do, so show them how you do it. Inquiring minds want to know. Number 4.11 Ideas Clip Notes. Clip note your favorite book. Who has time to read anymore? Break down the plot of a book to help your viewers digest it in minutes. If you ended up reading a book, you can even provide an in-depth review. Number 4.12 Ideas. Detail a process. Take a concept that's difficult to explain and break it down piece by piece. People are looking for these all the time, especially if they're visually oriented viewers. Number 4.13 Ideas Definition Videos. Make a definition video. Simple definitions can give you good ideas for YouTube videos. Take some time to break down a word or acronym that's relevant to your industry or brand. Number 4.14 Ideas Wedding Planning. Give wedding planning guidance. Are you a wedding whiz? Share some helpful hints to planning a weddings, from the type of cake to buy to the color the napkins should be. Number 4.15 Ideas VFX Tutorials. Show how VFX work. If you make videos, show how you achieve a particular effect. If you use special animation, makeup, or prop techniques, show them off. Show people how VFX actually works. Number 4.16 Ideas Trivia. Share some fun facts or trivia. Trivia provides a trove of ideas for YouTube videos. Find an interesting factoid or two and build your videos around it. Some channels go really in depth on things you didn't know. Fun facts videos always do well. Number 4.17 Ideas Timelines. Detail the timeline of a favorite subject. Everything has a history. Diving into the history of your normal subject matter is a fun way to change up your format and add more context for your viewers. There are tons of Wikipedia articles, but how many actually have videos? Number 4.18 Ideas Philosophy Videos. Make a philosophy video. Take your viewer down the philosophical rabbit hole of your topic. This is another way to add context to what you explored in your first YouTube video ideas. And remember, there is no spoon. Number 4.19 Ideas Science Videos. Make a science video. Turn to the natural world for ideas for YouTube videos. If science relates to your product or brand, break out some of its core concepts. There's always a new discovery made with science videos. Number 4.20 Ideas Video Math Teachers. Be a video math teacher. If your brand is related to education, it might be good to teach math concepts. Students turn to YouTube for homework help every day. There's no shortage of videos you can make when it comes to match. Be their YouTube tutor. Number 4.21 Ideas Discuss Authors. Discuss writers and authors. Find good ideas for YouTube videos from the authors in your field. Make a video biography on some who have contributed to the most to a subject. Even if you've got a gaming channel, there's some great written material on that subject. Number 4.22 Ideas Life Skills. Detail a useful life skill. Critical thinking might come naturally to you. Consider sharing the ins and outs with your viewers that might be valuable for them to learn. Biohacking is also a massive opportunity to look into. Number 4.23 Ideas Funny Skills. Show a funny skill that you have. Do you know how to roll your tongue? Or maybe you've mastered the art of popping and locking. Okay, maybe it's not a funny skill, but show viewers how it's done. Popping and locking is a fun YouTube idea. Number 4.24 Ideas Current Events. Do a current events deep dive. The world moves so fast that it's hard to keep track of all the news. Many people scan headlines without reading the article. Dive into a topic for your viewers. People need to know. Current events breakdowns are always informative and entertaining. Number 4.25 Ideas Historical Texts. Discuss historical texts. Turn to great texts for great ideas for YouTube videos. Whether it's philosophers like Plato and Homer, to writers like Shakespeare or the Bible, dive into a historical text and feed your viewers' minds. Number 4.26 Ideas. Discuss author influences. Find a particular piece of media and dissect which authors or books inspired it. We love learning about. Number 4.27 Ideas. Filmmakers' influence. Talk about a filmmaker's influences. Art is thievery. If you like to talk about movies, dive into a particular director to see where they got all their great ideas from. You can make a video on Ridley Scott's color palette or even Spielberg's directing style. Steven Spielberg's directing style will always pique some curiosity. Number 4.28 Ideas. Short docs. Do a short subject documentary. Find a key figure in your field and dissect their life and art. For example, if you're a comedian, maybe put the sketches aside for one video and discuss one influence and why they were so great. Video ideas on famous figures can do well. Number 4.29 Ideas. DIY treehouse. Show how to make a DIY treehouse. Nothing captivates the imagination like a good treehouse. If you've built one, show it off. Number 4.30 Ideas. Time management. Show how to manage time. There's never enough time in a day, but you can always manage it better. Show your audience your techniques and they'll thank you for it, in due time. These time management techniques actually work. Number 4.31 Ideas. Animal care. Detail an animal's care and feeding. Our pets are our family. Take some time to introduce your adorable pets and their day-to-day care and feeding. Number 4.32 Ideas. Ecosystems. Talk about ecosystems and habitats. Show off that bird's nest you found in your shrubs. Or the epic multi-tiered palace you constructed for your cat. Number 4.33 Ideas. How-tos. Explain how a tool works. Who reads instructions anymore anyway? Show how to use tools or software related to your brand. People have always wondered how to use chopsticks properly. Number 4.34 Ideas. Climates. Talk about climates worldwide. Discussing the weather is small talk. Make it bigger by diving into climate and weather patterns. Number 4.35 Ideas. Myth busting. The Mythbuster approach. There are myths everywhere around us that need a solid busting. Is that old wives' tale you keep hearing really true? Do some extra research and share it with viewers. Number 4.36 Ideas. Discuss history. Discuss a country and its history. How many people actually know the true history behind a country? Take your viewers to another place and time by sharing different countries' history. Number 4.37 Ideas. Desktop tours. Tour your desktop computer. If you're into computers, show off your specs. But maybe dust it off first. Computers are fascinating. Number 4.38 Ideas. Video editing. Show how you edit your videos. Take your viewers further into your creative process by showing them how you assemble your edit. Show off the filmmaking tools, templates, and workflows you often use. Everyone loves a good tutorial YouTube video. Number 4.39 Ideas. Keyboard shortcuts. Show off an obscure trick. Know a handy keyboard shortcuts or two for an application that you use. Show them off in a short video. Number 4.40 Ideas. Make a lingo video. Every subject has its lingo. Make a video to keep your viewers in the know. Some people need help speaking internet lingo. Number 4.41 Movie deep dives. Deep dive on movies and TV. Still reeling from last night's Game of Thrones? Go in depth on what happened, and what might be to come. Number 4.42 Explainer videos. Make an explainer video. An explainer video can be an effective way to introduce the world to a product, service, or an application. And remember, some of the best explainer videos use animation to draw viewers in. Studio Binder shares the best explainer videos and trends. Idea number 5. Fashion and beauty. From fashion advice to makeup tutorials. Number 5.1 Beauty YouTube video ideas. Shopping hauls. Share what you bought. Ever get asked what you get after being spotted with an overstuffed shopping bag? Turn your response into a video with these fun shopping haul videos. Shopping haul videos are hyper addictive on YouTube. Number 5.2 Ideas. Makeup tutorials. Name your favorite products. Just think about how many beauty products are online. Now think about how many people need reviews for those products. Making a YouTube video about a specific beauty product is a surefire way to grab attention. It's also a good way to make money on YouTube with affiliate links. Number 5.3 Ideas Styling Hauls. Provide styling advice. People want and need guidance on fashion and styling. If you have a solid eye for fashion, make a YouTube video about it. Share your opinions and insights. Be bold. Be you. Number 5.4 Ideas Fashion History. Discuss fashion history. If you've always loved learning about the history of fashion, you're not alone. Dive into fashion history. It's one of the many creative and fun YouTube ideas for beauty channels that can become an ongoing series. History has a lot to offer. Number 5.5 Ideas DIY Clothes. Showcase some DIY clothing. Are you crafty when it comes to clothes? This is by far the most addictive YouTube video idea for fashion YouTubers. Repurposing older clothes is a great way to attract interest. Who wouldn't want to upcycle, revive, and revitalize their wardrobe? You can help them. Number 5.6 Ideas. Share what's in your closet. Sharing what's in your closet will make your audience connect with you on a deeper level. It makes it personal right away. It's also a great way to share tips about organizing. Number 5.7 Ideas Beauty Routines. Showcase your beauty routines. When it comes to the face, your viewers will definitely be curious about the most effective morning and evening beauty routines. Share your habits and let people know how you take care of your face. Number 5.8 Ideas Makeup Tutorials. Create fast makeup tutorials. Ain't nobody got time to spend 4 hours doing makeup in the morning. Provide a quick, and easy, way for your viewers to get ready when they're in a rush. Number 5.9 Ideas Packing Tips. Packing your beauty products. How do you fit your entire wardrobe, makeup, and more in a small suitcase? Organization is key. Tell viewers how you do it. Idea number 6. Music related. Some of the best music related video ideas. Number 6.1 Jam Session. Have a jam session. If you're musically inclined, find another channel to jam out with. You don't even have to be in the same place, just perform your part and synchronize the videos later. Everyone loves a good cover. Number 6.2 Lip Syncing. Do a lip sync, or lip sync battle. Some of the best YouTube channel ideas come from spontaneity. Next time you can't resist the urge to sing to your favorite song, film yourself. Lip sync videos rank among the best YouTube video ideas for one person. Number 6.3 Music Analysis. Deep dive on some music. Have a song you're obsessed with. Dive into everything about it, influences, lyric meanings, and even how it was mixed and engineered. This YouTube idea is so good, damn. Number 6.4 Make a music video. Make a creative music video. You don't need a hit single to make a music video. Build a crew, grab a camera and use some creativity for your music video. Number 6.5 Freestyle Raps. Do a freestyle rap. Some of us can freestyle really well, so don't be afraid to bust a flow in front of the camera. You can make it a serious video, or take a funny angle with it. This YouTuber knows how to rap. Number 6.6 Sing songs. Sing for your viewers. What songs are currently trending? Chances are that people are actively searching for that specific track, so pick a song and sing it. You can even poll viewers to see which one you should do next. Number 6.7 Music Lesson. Provide a free music lesson. If you're a real-life guitar hero, share your skill with your viewers who might be learning for the first time. These YouTube tutorials can be entertaining and useful. Number 6.8 Karaoke. Make a karaoke video. Find a karaoke version of your favorite song and sing along. Just keep monetization off the video to avoid any flags on your video or account. Idea number 7. Health and lifestyle. Improve people's lives with these video ideas. Number 7.1 Fitness Ideas Weight Loss. Share tips about losing weight. If fitness is your thing, then share some guidelines you use to maintain your weight. Number 7.2 Ideas Stretching. Show how to stretch properly. Stretching is a vital part of any exercise. Show off the ones you use before your routine. This YouTube video idea will stretch your creativity. Number 7.3 Ideas. Ramp up to a marathon or race. If you're prepping for a triathlon, 5K or full marathon, cover your daily exercises building up to it. Number 7.4 Ideas Exercises. Show wind down exercises. Don't just focus on the workouts. Show the steps you take to reacclimate after a workout. Sharing exercise routines are super educational YouTube videos. Number 7.5 Ideas Workouts. Show a home workout. No gym? No problem. Show off useful workouts that can be done anywhere. Number 7.6 Ideas. Post a motivation video. After the honeymoon phase of a new exercise schedule winds down, it can be hard to keep going. Post some words of encouragement to help your viewers stick with it. Number 7.7. Suggest good energy foods. Are you following a diet and working out? Share the diet you use that give you the best workout results. What I eat in a day are entertaining videos. Number 7.8 Ideas Yoga. Be a YouTube yoga instructor. Get your viewers off their desk chairs and into Warrior One with a handy yoga sequence. Number 7.9 Ideas. Teach proper workout methods. Workouts can be useless if they aren't done right. Keep your viewers on track with proper guidelines to follow while working out. Workout routines are valuable YouTube ideas. Number 7.10 Health YouTube Video Ideas. Host a health and wellness Q&A. Field health and wellness questions from your viewers and give them personalized insight. Idea number 8. Food video. Share your recipe and cook together. Number 8.1 Ideas Cooking. Cook with friends. If your brand is related to food, try cooking with another YouTuber. Find a food choice that reflects your brand, or theirs. Cooking is fun, but cooking with friends is even more fun. Number 8.2 Creative Ideas. Tour your fridge. Food always makes for good videos. Dive into the farthest reaches of your refrigerator to show off what you've been snacking on. Tour videos on YouTube do very well. Number 8.3 Ideas. Share a secret recipe. People are always trying to find good recipes to try. Take one that you invented and share it with the world. A secret KFC recipe video is something we all want. Number 8.4 Ideas. Recreate food from movies. What's more addictive than looking at food in film and TV? Taking it from the screen and making it in real life. Take a dish from a movie or TV show and recreate it. Idea number 9. Best of. Showcase the best of the best. Mine good video ideas from ranked lists. Entire channels have been built from them. Find a theme that suits your voice or brand, and make a list of the best examples. Number 9.1 Good YouTube Video Ideas Top Sports. Post a top sports list. Your favorite things make for good videos. If you're into sports, talk about them. Who are your favorite players and teams? Number 9.2 Ideas Top Tunes. Post a top tunes list. Taste is subjective. Favorite songs are a great vlog topic because it's so hard to describe why we love the songs we love. You can even create a YouTube playlist that you can link to. Number 9.3 Ideas Top Music Albums. Post a top albums list. In the age of Spotify, any album is a click away. Sharing your picks with your viewers might invite some good discussion. Everyone loves a top albums list. Number 9.4 Ideas Top Games. Post a top games list. Show off the best and brightest in video games with a top list. Number 9.5 Ideas Top Films. Post a top films list. Share the best things you've seen recently. This can be especially useful during the summer blockbuster and award seasons. Number 9.6 Ideas Top TV. Post a top TV list. Share the best TV shows or episodes you've seen this year. Specificity is key here, so you may want to narrow to a particular channel or streaming service. Everyone loves a good top list on YouTube. Number 9.7 Top TV Moments. Post a top TV moments list. Still reeling from last night's Bachelor insanity? Break out your favorite moments. What show tops The Bachelor? Idea number 10. Branded content. Video ideas. Proven ideas to launch your company. Number 10.1 Branded video content ideas. Music video. Produce a music video like OK Go. Shooting a music video in zero gravity. Crazy, right? The band has also been locking down branded content deals like this commercial for Honda. The video passed 40 million views and featured Unicub, Honda self-balancing unicycles. What makes this branded content example so powerful is that there's no clear mention of Honda. They don't hit you over the head with branding. Content comes first, branding as an extra. When you're conceptualizing an idea with a client, be sure to include it in our music video script template. OK Go's branded content example for Honda. Number 10.2 Branded video content idea. Viral video. Create viral video to get noticed. Dove's Real Beauty campaign was crafted to spotlight how women see themselves. The ad has surpassed 115 million views and has become one of the most successful ads of all time. Dove Real Beauty sketches. Number 10.3 Ideas. BMW short films. Develop a branded content video series. BMW Films created one of the most successful marketing advertising campaigns with their groundbreaking series The Hire. The series highlights Clive Owen, featured as the driver, who goes from place to place, in BMWs of course, and is treated as a transport for BMWs, for anyone's needs. The Hire surpassed 100 million views and is considered one of the best short films of all time. BMW Films The Hire. Number 10.4 Idea Spotlight. Spotlight an underdog story. This 8-minute documentary features Yassine Taro, who fled Syria to pursue his dreams. This inspiring branded video showcases the human spirit and chronicles Yassine's entrepreneurial heart. Everyone loves an underdog story. For every kind of dream by Square. And guys, extra bonus idea number 11. More video ideas. Even more video ideas. Number 11.1 Funny ideas. Pranks. Funny prank videos. Prank a coworker and film it. After all, it's hard not to enjoy a good desk trolling. Prank videos on YouTube are super shareable. Number 11.2 Funny YouTube video ideas. Outtakes. Feature an outtake video. If you make enough videos, chances are you've got some good bloopers. Cut them into a video. Number 11.3 Video ideas. Comedy skits. Make a comedy sketch. Read up on the art of good sketch comedy or just grab some friends and act out a funny scenario. King Bach and Logan Paul collaborated on this funny YouTube idea. 11.4 Ideas. Reboots. Do an old video reboot. Reboots aren't just for Hollywood. Find an old video on your channel and make it better. Number 11.5 Ideas. Headlines. Dish on celebrity headlines. Are you a TMZ junkie? Recap the latest celebrity Twitter wars, sightings, and news in a news video. Number 11.6 Ideas. TV pilots. Create a TV pilot. A pilot is an introductory episode to a TV series. They're made to test the waters with audiences. Make one of your channel for a possible series, and see if your viewers like the format. Number 11.7 Share adventures. Share a trip to the great outdoors. Share your adventures with camping, hiking, and anything that takes you into wilderness. Number 11.8 Fun YouTube ideas. Perform magic tricks. Have the David Copperfield in your family work his magic. Maybe he can make an item that's tied to your brand disappear. Just make sure he gives it back. You don't need to be Copperfield to pull off magic tricks on YouTube. Number 11.9 Ideas. Aerial photography. Show off some drone footage. If you have a drone, show off your best captures. Take it through wilderness, urban landscapes, or even a fireworks display. Why does Casey Neistat always shoot with drones? Because they're epic. Number 11.10 Seasonal YouTube video ideas. Make a holiday video. Help your viewers spread the holiday spirit by sharing a video that you make. Nostalgia is a powerful thing, and basing a video around something like the holidays will give it endless appeal. Number 11.11 Birthday YouTube video ideas. Have a channel birthday. Celebrate the day you launched your channel by making a retrospective of your channel's best moments. Number 11.12 Scary YouTube video ideas. Walk through a haunted corn maze. Brave the horrifying world of corn mazes and film your freakouts. Make these scary YouTube videos to frighten viewers. Number 11.13 Ideas. New Year's. Make a New Year's reflections video. When a new year approaches, make a video to reflect on the past year. Chart the ups, downs, and discoveries you made. Number 11.14 Ideas. Event coverage. Do coverage on big events. If you're into music, it's the Grammys. If you like making football content, then it's the Super Bowl. Make a video about a big event in your field. Number 11.15 Ideas. Host a contest. Host a contest. Setting up a contest for your followers to participate in is a great way to engage with them directly. Hosting contests make for fun and easy videos that are very shareable too. PewDiePie isn't the only YouTube that should hold contests. Number 11.16 Ideas Share Views. Share your views on an issue. You can pull good YouTube channel ideas from the things you feel strongly about. It could be as impacting as global warming or as minor as Pop-Tarts. Even if your opinion isn't fully formed, sometimes it's valuable to get the conversation started. Number 11.17 Ideas Honor Someone. Honor someone you admire. Whether it's Albert Einstein or your grandmother, make a video tribute to them. Number 11.18 Ideas Fun Q&As. Answer fan questions. Get a lot of repeat questions from viewers. Answer them into your videos. Chances are, other viewers have wondered the same thing while watching your videos. Audience Q&As are fun and engaging YouTube videos. Number 11.19 Ideas Daily Routines. Share a routine video. Show off a particular routine you go through regularly. This can be as simple as showing how to remove your makeup at night, or as complex as building die-cast model submarines. Hannah Hart has a daily routine too. Number 11.20 Video Ideas. Face a fear. Conflict drives any good story. Mine creative video ideas from the things that scare you most. Then document yourself facing that fear. Detail the resolution and encourage your fans to face their own fears. Let your audience grow with you. Number 11.21 Ideas Product Reviews. Product review. Whether it's a beauty line or home surveillance systems, people constantly turn to YouTube reviews to find the best option. If a product ties into your channel or brand, show the pros and cons in video form. Number 11.22 Ideas Make a collage. Make a photo collage. Relate a story or recent experience with pictures. Find a free photo collage maker and import some photos. The challenge is how to sequence them to tell the story. Number 11.23 Ideas Collabs. Do a channel takeover. Change makes for good YouTube video ideas. Ask a channel with a similar audience or maybe someone completely unfamiliar to make a video for your channel. Number 11.24 Fun Video Idea Debates. Debate a friend or channel. Find a friend, channel, or multiple channels, with opposing viewpoints, and engage in a civil debate. Debates are extremely fun to watch on YouTube. Number 11.25 Idea Collaborations. Solicit audience collaboration. Go big with your collaboration and solicit videos from your whole subscriber base. Get your viewers invested in your crazy YouTube idea. Number 11.26 Ideas Volunteer. Volunteer with other channels. Volunteering can make a YouTube channel contribute to a bigger cause. Find some other channels and combine your YouTube powers for the greater good. Attend a volunteer event together and film your journey. These types of YouTube collaborations are key to growing your channel. Number 11.27 Ideas Ask fans for ideas. Ask your fans for video ideas. If finding good YouTube channel ideas has you stumped, turn to your followers. Make a video to ask your fans for help. Make writer's block your conflict, and your audience your solution. Number 11.28 Fun YouTube Ideas. Do YouTube challenges with friends. Ready to drink a gallon of milk in under an hour? Or maybe ingest an unreasonable amount of food. It might not be the healthiest choice, but there's a huge audience for it. Number 11.29 Response Videos. Share a response. Saw something on YouTube that you liked, or didn't like. Response posts have bigger visibility than comments, so make your voice heard. Number 11.30 Reaction Videos. Film yourself reacting to something. Did the new Star Wars trailer have your jaw on the floor? Well, film yourself while watching it. This will let your viewers experience the trailer with you. Even this thumbnail has a reaction. Number 11.31 Technology Ideas. Host a phone tour. Your phone says a lot about you. Show your audience what apps you use, your preferred settings, and maybe even that background image of your cat. Maybe wait until that gnarly crack on your screen gets fixed though. Number 11.32 First YouTube Video Ideas Parodies. Create a video parody. A good parody video exaggerates another video's style for comedic effect. Mimic politicians, influencers, products, movie trailers, and anything well known. Making a parody video can easily go viral. Number 11.33 Ideas. Show a collection of something. Find YouTube channel ideas in your own closet. Bust out that trunk of WW2 era stamps and show the world what you got. Remember, when it comes to YouTube, nothing is too niche.
And soon. It might just help you find your next best job candidates. Okay, love you guys. Please like and subscribe.
Audio Jungle.